Hi there, Sagittarius. This is your video as to why are they ghosting you, so that you have an idea. Okay, why are they ghosting you, Sagittarius? August 10 till the 16th. Okay, so these are the reasons why they are ghosting you. As a Gemini, I do look at the two sides of the story. Okay, so this is the ghost story and this is your story. Okay, this is your side as to what you have contributed in order for this person to ghost you, because I do believe in it takes two to tango. So basically you did something that made this person ghost you also. Of course this person has his or her own issues as well that led to the ghosting. Okay, so let's get started. These are the ghosts reasons why he or she ghosted you. First, first reason is that this person has been heartbroken, frustrated, or disappointed because of the connection, or because of you, or because of himself or herself. I can sense a very huge disappointment, frustration, heartbreak because of what had happened between the two of you. Okay? Another thing why this person is ghosting you, Sagittarius, it's because I can sense this person really wants to wants to start a new beginning of your love story, but it seems like this person sense that it seems like it's just the status quo. We're going on the same path. I mean, it's the same story and there's nowhere to go. And yeah, that's also one reason. Another reason, Sagittarius, why this person is ghosting you, because this person wants to start something new, or is planning something new when it comes to the connection. Okay, yes. As to what you have contributed towards this person who ghosted you, first is that you're not showing any interest at all towards this person. You immediately cut it off before you were into this person, right? And then you immediately cut it off for no reason. Whatever your reasons are, this person was not able to get the memo, you guys. Okay, again, this person did not get the memo as to why you're not interested anymore. It seems like this person wants a deeper answer coming from you. Another thing that you did that led to the ghosting is that you initiated a move towards this person, and that's it. I don't know if some of you had made love with this person, because it seems like that's all about it. Was it all about it? Yeah. And it might be a more flirtatious move. This person got it as a flirtatious move, okay? And lastly, the reason why this person has been ghosting you guys is because it seems like you're telling yourself, nah, this person cannot change, nah, this person will always do this anyways, nah, this person will always be like, the same old person that he or she is. Like, this person is not my wish fulfillment. This person is not my wish come true. So whatever story that you're putting into yourself about this person being the wrong person, you're emitting an energy towards the universe. Say, universe, this is the wrong person. No wonder this person is doing everything wrong towards the connection. Now you know. Be careful on what you are talking to yourself. The statements, the stories that you are talking to yourself. Be careful, because that is what is going to appear in your reality. That is what is going to that you're going to experience in your reality. Yeah, be careful. My suggestion for you, Sagittarius, so that you will not be ghosted, stop this story. You always keep on repeating the same old story in your mind, Sagittarius, please. And with the flirting and the making love and the sex part, because I had a feeling, this is my experience with Sagittarius. Okay, my experience, my observation is that you are too active on this part. The making love part, you're so active with that Sagittarius, to the point that people will always think that it's all about this one, not a much deeper connection. So you need to change a little bit of this one, make it more deeper connection. Okay, and stop the stories to yourself. You're the one who's creating your reality, not the other person. The other person is just making a confirmation of what you are thinking. Okay? Yes, be careful with our thoughts, guys. Been there, done that. I'm sharing it with you because I'm also like that before. So, yeah, that's why I'm very careful on what thoughts I'm going to think. So, if it's gonna be a bad one, I say, erase, 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 erase. I will not entertain that thought. I'll proceed with another thought in order to erase that previous thought. You only have few seconds to erase it, not in order for it not to build momentum. Okay, that's my suggestion. And just in case if you want to know this person is stalking you guys, the ghost, you can always check on my playlist down there below on who is your stalker. For sure you want to know if this person is stalking you, right? Yeah. And if you want to jump over this scenario, and since this is a general reading, you can book a reading with me. I'm just one email away. The details are down there below. If you like the way I sounded like the way I give you advice, suggestion, and the story between the two of you, this is how I do my reading. It's what he or she says, and what you also say, or like the feelings for both of you. Because I'm a very fair person. I always get two sides of the story. Okay, so yeah, if you like the way I do it, you can book a reading with me. But if not, you can check the Who is Your Stalker video. That will really like entertain you much for sure. Okay, thank you so much for watching Sagittarius, and sending you energies of love, 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 and abundance, abundance, abundance.